Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy using the Cybersole AIO bot. Open Cybersole and navigate to the Proxies tab at the top. On the left side, you'll see groups that have already been set up with proxies. However, if you need to create new groups and set up proxies, I'll show you how. Click New Group in the top left corner to create a new group. In the window that appears, give the group a name and click Create Group. On the left, you'll now see a new group with the name you specified. To set up a proxy for this group, click Add Proxies in the top right corner. A new window will appear where you can either manually enter the proxy or upload a list of proxies from a file with the .txt extension. If you choose to enter the proxy manually, use the following format: IP address, port number. For free proxies, no further action is required. However, if you have a personal proxy, enter it in this format: IP address, port number, username, and password separated by colons. Once you've entered the proxy information, click Import New Proxies at the bottom. That's it. The proxies are now set up. Next, go to the Tasks tab and create a new task with proxy binding. Click Task Creator in the bottom left corner to create a new task. Here you can set the parameters for the task, but be sure to select the group you just created and a proxy in the Proxies field. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Create Task. The task has been created and will run using the specified proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.